Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my kitchen. Today I have brought a very delicious recipe. I'll be making chicken tikka on the tawa griddle. So let's get started with our recipe. I have taken 1.5 kilos of chicken, washed and dried it. To this I have added half a cup of yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of green chili paste. Now I will add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to this. I have added 1 teaspoon of red chili powder as well. Add 4 tablespoons of tikka masala, you can use any brand, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Along with that, I will add the juice of 3 lemons, which is about 3 tablespoons. Now I will mix this well. As you can see, I have made cuts in the chicken like this so that the marinade gets absorbed inside and our chicken becomes flavorful. I have added 1/4 teaspoon of food color as well. I will mix this thoroughly and let it rest for 3 hours. You can also leave it overnight. 3 hours have passed. I have lightly heated 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil on the tawa, and now I will place the chicken pieces on it. This recipe turns out very delicious and is very easy to make. And if you have it with puri or paratha, it's just perfect. You all must try this recipe and definitely let me know how it turns out. Let me know in the comments how you all like this recipe. Here I have placed the chicken pieces on the tawa. First, I will cook them on medium flame for a little while, about 1 minute, and then I will cook them on a low flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I will flip them to the other side and cook for another 20 minutes on that side as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so you can be the first to watch all my upcoming videos. Definitely try this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Remember, after washing the chicken, we kept it in the fridge for 1 hour so that all the water would drain out. This helps the spices stick to the chicken really well. It turns out very tasty, so do give it a try. At the end, I will sprinkle some fresh coriander on top and serve it with onions and chutney. You should definitely try it too. I'll take my leave now. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.